so nobody's going to leave the room asking, can you please send me the notes? And this is also great for daily stand-ups and brainstorming, because your teams can map out the ideas, sketch the workflows, build the timelines, and revise plans, and all live on the board. And it's also great for client presentations, because you can walk into the room and cast wirelessly, swipe through the slides, annotate live, and it feels effortlessly and very professional. Now for the remote employees, the built-in camera and mic make the meetings feel more natural, and it's as close as being in the room as you can get. And if you do any kind of training and workshops, the interactive tools make the demos a lot easier. Writing, highlighting, screen recording, and real-time feedback are all built in. So at the end of the day, the M6A Pro replaces what used to require 3 things: a projector or screen, a whiteboard, and a separate conference system. But now it's all one device that works every time that you turn it on. No cables, no fuzz, just solid productivity. And after spending time with it, the M6A Pro feels like the kind of upgrade that offices didn't know they needed until they actually try it. And it makes meetings smoother, collaboration faster, and the whole workspace just more modern. So if you're ready to modernize your office, or if you want to improve your team collaborations, or you just want your meetings to run a lot smoother, go ahead and check out the Aurion M6A Pro, because it's without a doubt one standout option.